If you're thinking about buying Bombusbee, there are a few things you should know before making that purchase. In this video, we're going to dive into 7 key details about Bombusbee that could make or break your decision, especially when compared to other competitors in the market. Stick around till the end to find out the best way to get Bombusbee for yourself. And yes, you can try it completely free through the first link below. Trust me, you'll want to hear this. Next thing, Bombusbee's user interface is one of its standout features, but it's not without its quirks. Unlike some competitors, where the dashboard can be overwhelming, Bombusbee keeps it clean and intuitive. That said, if you're used to something like HubSpot or Salesforce, you might find the transition a bit of a learning curve. The good news? The learning process is fairly quick, and once you're past that initial phase, you'll notice how much smoother things run. Now, Bombusbee's pricing model is another point to discuss. Unlike platforms that lock you into long-term contracts, Bombusbee offers a more flexible structure, which is great for small businesses that don't want to commit to hefty bills up front. But here's the catch. While the base plan is competitive, some features you might expect in the core package are limited and can require upgrading to a premium tier, similar to how you'd find extra charges with tools like Zoho or Pipedrive. Just be aware of what's included in your plan so you don't get hit with unexpected costs down the road. The fourth thing to note is Bombusbee's automation features. When compared to its competitors like ActiveCampaign, you'll find that Bombusbee offers decent automation, but it's not as advanced as some other options. If your business relies heavily on automation, Bombusbee can still get the job done, but if you're looking for something with a bit more depth, you might want to consider exploring alternatives. Next up, customer support. Bombusbee is known for its responsive support team, but the level of service you get may vary based on your subscription tier. If you're on a basic plan, support can be a little slow at times, but their team is generally very helpful once you get through. For businesses that require premium support, the higher tier plans offer more direct access, which makes sense when compared to services like Salesforce, which can be slow to respond but offer 24/7 support at higher tiers. The sixth thing that sets Bombusbee apart is its integrations. The platform works well with many major tools like Google Workspace, Slack, and even Zapier for more advanced integrations. However, it doesn't have the same breadth of native integrations as some of its competitors like Zoho, which might be a deal breaker for businesses that rely on specific software ecosystems. Finally, let's talk about scalability. Bombusbee is designed to grow with your business, but its scalability isn't as seamless as it could be. While you can scale up, you might find yourself needing to upgrade plans sooner than you would with other platforms like HubSpot, which have more flexible scaling options built into their pricing structure. So if you're considering Bombusbee, make sure to weigh these points carefully. There are definitely pros, but there are some trade-offs compared to the bigger players in the market. If you want to try out Bombusbee for yourself, make sure to click the first link in the description to get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits. You'll be able to test it out for yourself and see how it compares to the competition without committing to anything right away.